Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a JPEG to PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is incredibly useful when you need to transform image files into a more professional, shareable PDF format that's easier to send via email or upload to various platforms. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in to access all the features we'll be using today. Once you're logged in and the application is fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. This is where most of the main actions in Adobe Acrobat are initiated. In that upper left toolbar, you'll see a button labeled Create with a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click on Create. This opens up a menu with different document creation options. From the options presented, click on Single File. This tells Adobe Acrobat that you want to create one PDF from a single source file, which is exactly what we need for converting our JPG. After selecting Single File, you'll see another option appear that says Select a File. Click on that. This will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your folders and locate the image you want to convert. Navigate to where your JPG file is stored, click on the image to select it, and then click Open. Adobe Acrobat will now load that image into the workspace, preparing it for conversion. Once the image is loaded and visible on your screen, look for the Create button again. Click on it to initiate the conversion process. Adobe Acrobat will now convert your JPG into a PDF format. This usually happens quite quickly, but depending on the file size and your computer's speed, you might need to wait a moment while the conversion completes. After the conversion is finished, you'll see your newly created PDF displayed in Adobe Acrobat. Now it's time to save this file to your computer. Navigate back to the upper left toolbar and click on Menu. From the drop-down options that appear, select Save As. This gives you control over where and how you want to save your converted PDF. At this point, you'll be presented with several storage options. You can save to your computer, Adobe Cloud Storage, or other connected file storage services. For this example, let's click on your computer. This will open a dialog box where you can choose the specific folder where you want to save the file. Browse through your folders and select the destination that makes the most sense for your workflow. Before finalizing, you have the option to rename the file if needed. This is helpful if you want to give it a more descriptive name or organize it better within your file system. Once you've selected your folder and adjusted the file name to your liking, click Save. Your converted PDF will now be stored in your chosen location, ready to use whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully converted a JPEG to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.